Married men in public always rave about their wives.
I know. Some do it because they mean it, and others to protect their lives.
But I'm one married man who always proudly goes about.
What doing? Just raving of another love?
I cannot help but shout.
Say, boy, I think that you're off your nut.
Still I love nobody but
Who?
my dear old mother-in-law.
Tell me, is she sweet and is she kind?
Like brown sugar, unrefined, my dear old mother-in-law.
I've seen her and she don't look so nifty, and she don't dress to kill.
I know it, but still I idolize her, 'cause I'm mentioned in her will.
Ah, she must have a lot of dough.
Oh, plenty, so you see, not to adore my mother-in-law.